just to lose or to win, to be someone's shine in the wind, to live between your mind and feelings. Find your way, check it out, learn each day. Follow the light, it's not in vain, and you will see